There are moments in life where you feel a calling, a pull so strong you can't ignore it. This is one of those moments. Peru isn't just a destination, it's an initiation, a sacred journey into your wild feminine power, your deepest wisdom, and your untamed freedom. For over 25 years, I've guided women through the wild and the sacred, rites of passage where the wounded fade and the goddess awakens. This isn't tourism, it's transformation. It's women shedding the lies, standing taller, and remembering they were never lost, only waiting to rise. This is where you step away from the noise, the roles, the expectations, the weight of life that no longer serves you. This is where you surrender to something greater, where you remember who you really are. Sacred medicine ceremonies, ancient initiations, vision quests, teachings passed down for generations. These are not things you could read about. They must be experienced. This is not therapy. This is so much deeper. This is not self-help. This is self-awakening. And once you say yes, you will never be the same. Peru, the Amazon, is not just a place. It is the presence of the divine feminine. In every river, in every mountain, in every breath of the wind. She is wild, untamed, bountiful, free, just like you. Come back to yourself. Come back to nature. Come back to your power. Here you will go deeper into your soul. You will rise. You will spread your wings. We will sing. We will sit in sacred ceremony. We will awaken every cell back to its true nature, back to its power. Do you hear the call? The only question is, will you answer it?